Hi, this is Naveen Kumar, wishing you a wonderful, fantabulous, happy new year. We are stepping to a new year. Do you have specific goals for 2020? Have you set goals? Do you want to make 2020 the best year of your life? If you really want to make 2020 an year of glorious success, we have to set 9 goals. In this video, we are going to discuss on that very important 9 goals which we have to set. Before moving on to the video, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, Naveen Inspires. If you like to watch videos which can improve the quality of your life, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and click bell icon to receive notifications. If you like this video, put a like, comment your comments and share with those who might get benefit out of this video. We can move to the 9 goals which we have to set to make this year a successful year. The first goal is termed as the family goal. Family is not an important thing, but it's everything. We must plan some beautiful goals for our family. How we are going to spend a vacation with our family. Which are the places we are going to visit in this year. Which are the different relatives' homes where we have to pay a visit. We have to plan the entire family activities of the year by now itself. It's very important. Because setting a family goal is very vital in the start of a new year. We have to set a family goal which can make our family happy and automatically we will also become happy. Second goal, personal development goal. We must plan some activities for our development. Which are the different courses we are going to attend in this year? Which are the different books we will read? At least we must read 24 books in this year. 2 books per month. For our personal development. So personal development goals, which are the skill sets we need to improve, which are the new skills I'm going to learn in this year. Set all these personal development goals as a very important task of the year. 3. Social goals. We are social beings. So it is inevitable for us to behave with a society. How we are going to behave? What are the different contributions we will give to the society? Which are the different areas we can contribute? Which are the different social occasions we will participate? What may be our volunteer role in that particular social occasion? All these things have to be planned. How we are going to involve in the society? How we are going to volunteer in social occasions? All this can improve our interpersonal skills, communication skills and a lot of skills. So it's very important to set a social goal for 2020. 4. Health goals. What are the different steps you are going to do to improve your health? Health is a very important thing. You must pay some attention on it. You have to find some time to make your health better. Because life without health is of no use. We must do exercise. We must go for jogging. What are the different martial arts you have to learn in this year? Plan a strategy for this. Make health goals as a very important task of the year. 5. Financial goals. Financial goals are very important for us because without money we can't live. So make some money, save some money, make some investment plans in this year, make some insurance policies, health policies, all such things. How I can make my financial stability more. How I can increase my financial freedom. Pay attention for that and set some financial goals for 2020. By end of 2020, we must increase our savings at least by 5%. Make some plans for that, make a clear-cut goal on that and work on that. 6. Fun goals. Without fun, the life is empty. We will not feel happy. Fun is very important factor of our life. How we can set fun goals? If you love music, go for some music concert. Write on a paper that on such and such date a music concert is going on and I will go there. Set some fun goals. If you love to play football, go and play football and spare some time in your year to play football. So what are the different things where you can find fun? Because by these fun activities, your endorphin will get pumped and you will feel much more happy. And that will contribute to all sides of your life. So set some fun goals in 2020 to make yourself happy. 7. Professional goals. What are the different awards I want in this year? What are the different achievements I will make in this year? What are the professional promotions I will earn in this year? What are the different skills I am going to learn so that my professional competency, capacity and capability will be increased? That will also add value for 2020. 8. Home goals. We all have some houses. Make that house to home. If some painting work is pending, do it. If some furniture has to be placed, place it. What are the different things you are going to do in 2020 to make your house a beautiful home? Plan it. Make some home goals whereby you can make your surrounding environment better, and that will better your and your family's mind. Finally, the 9th goal is spiritual goal. While I am speaking, my sound is coming out because of some force. You can listen to me because of some force. If you believe in that force, set some spiritual goals. Make some plans whereby you will visit some pilgrim places. Make a plan for your spiritual upliftment. Find some time in the year for doing yoga or meditation. Do such spiritual activities too. That can also add value to your life. These are the 9 different goals we have to set to make 2020 an year of success. I will just recap the 9 important goals we have to set. Number 1, family goals. Number 2, personal development goals. Number 3, social goals. Number 4, health goals. Number 5, financial goals. Number 6, fun goals. Number 7, professional goals. 8, home goals. And finally, spiritual goals. Set all these 9 very important goals and make this 2020 a fantabulous year. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to receive updates. Put a like, comment your comments and share with those who might get benefit out of this video. Thank you once again. Wishing you all the very best. NK signing off.